Welcome to my channel. So this is a new channel. I actually had two other channels that I deleted. The reason for me making a new channel is because I wanted to reinvent myself. So I'm kind of like trying to get back to who I was before and seeing what works for me. And I hope you guys can be part of this journey as I go through life with you guys. Anyway, this is my first video for this channel. I did do like a quick get ready with me. Again, I think I'm gonna put my hair up because it is just so hot. But I didn't really get the chance to fix my hair. But I feel like if I were to do like a hairstyle with this look, it would probably be this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to like do my makeup. It's actually a really quick and easy type of way of doing your makeup. I understand that there's many ways of how to do it these days, but I actually just went into like my makeup bag, and I really don't use that much makeup on a daily basis. Actually, the most that I did do for this video was the eyeshadow, so that's just really funny. But yeah, I really wanted to put that in this video because it really just, I feel like it helped me get out of my comfort zone because normally I don't do that. Normally I don't put eyeshadows, so I'm really happy about that. But yeah, this is my quick get ready with me in my bathroom. Okay, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I got this whole makeup on my face in like 5, 4, oh wait, what? Today I'm gonna be using this tea tree face wash. It's really good. It exfoliates your skin and takes all the bad stuff out. All right, guys. All right, and then I'm gonna be applying moisture on my skin, a first layer of serum to protect my skin from the foundation, but I also want to make sure that it does apply evenly. Now taking my foundation and sponge, I'm going to apply that onto my skin all over in a patting motion. Keep patting. So this is actually my powder that I use. I know it says how to bronze, but this was a color that matched my skin the best. Anyway, I'm going to be taking my brush and just brushing that all over my skin. And what I like about this is that it really doesn't, it just sets the skin, the foundation, the way I would like it to. Now using my cream blush, and just going to be applying that around the apples of my cheeks. But before I do that, yeah, I just took my brush and then, yeah, okay, this is happening so fast. But as you can see, it's going all over my cheeks as well as by my temples. I really like how it looks like that, and it just highlights all around. I love it so much. I love it. And then here, just checking things out, just making sure that it was applied in the right spots that I wanted it to go. I'm going to be using the LA brow pencil. It's the Brow Bestie. It has like a spoolie on one side and then the eyebrow pencil on the other. Yeah, so I'm just going to be brushing my eyebrows. That way when I do draw on the eyebrows, then, everything's going to go in one direction. I don't want the hair to be, I want to make sure that the hair is right. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. So I'm going to take the eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to draw it on as best as I can. I'm going to make like an outline where the arch will be, dragging it out towards the tip, the end tip. Now going on to the other eyebrow. So as you can tell, my two eyebrows don't really look the same, but I'm gonna try my best to draw it on evenly. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow crayon from Trestique. I actually used to be a member or a subscriber for Etsy or Ipsy, where like I receive a whole bunch of different kinds of makeup in, you know, every month, and it only costs $10, and this is like one of the products that they had. I actually have never used it, so this is really interesting that I am using it for this video. But what I'm doing is I'm trying to make my eyes pop. So what I am going to be doing is, oh shucks, I've already passed that. But anyway, so what I'm trying to do is put the eyeshadow within the hollows of my eye. So that way you could see the shape of, you know, just see the shape of it. Like, can you tell? Can you see that? Like, it just makes my eyes look a little bit bigger. But here's the thing. I'm trying to figure out whether I want the eyeshadow to be extra dramatic or just casually dramatic. You see what I'm saying? Because I did put the eyeshadow a little bit extra on the top on my right eye, but now on my left, I'm like, you know what? Let's just do what we did on the right now onto the left because it looks better. Anyway, and yeah, as I had mentioned right in the beginning, I don't normally put eyeshadow, but for some reason in this video I really just wanted to go all out in putting this eyeshadow on, and for me to use this color. Now I can see why I did. It really does make the eyes pop. And here's the thing, I don't know exactly what the color of is on this eyeshadow, but if you have something similar to it, I would say just get something like blackish, dark green, dark gray. That would be as similar. Then I'm going to be taking the Ultimate eyeliner. It's the LA Girl brand. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this eyeliner. It's actually really dark black. It's jet black, in fact. And the reason why I'm using this is because it outlines my eyes. And again, I'm going for more of a look that makes my eyes pop, where you could see. And that's why I'm now using this eyeliner to outline the rims of my eyes. What I like about this eyeliner is the fact that it doesn't smear, and it's easy to put on. It actually glides on very easily. Okay guys, now off to the lips. I'm going to be putting on this lip balm to moisturize the skin of my lips. That way, you know, it doesn't crack or dry out when using the lipstick and the other things that I'm going to be putting on my lips. So anyway, okay, the first thing after putting the lip balm, I'm going to be choosing between these two lipsticks. It's so funny because I actually wanted to put both of them on, but I'm like, you know what? I think I'm just going to be putting one on. They're both so pretty. And I chose the Clinique brand. When I finally decided, I just used the lighter shade, the lighter pink, and I feel like it complements the eyes, you know, because the eyes is already dramatic. I didn't want to overpower the lips, so you know, I went with a more lighter color on that. And then I'm going to be putting on my lip gloss. just so that way it could be, you know, it could add some type of shine to it, look healthy, you know, it gives that healthy glow on the lips. All right, guys, and really that's it for the makeup. I was actually gonna do my hair, but yeah, so here I am, just posing, modeling, making the best of this look. And now here I am trying to do my hair. I really didn't know what to do with it. I mean, I was gonna straighten it, curl it, but I was like, you know what? Because of the top that I'm wearing, it's a more natural vibe. This is my natural hair. That's the thing. So all I did was just, you know, twist the sides and put it on the side, clip it, you know, making it I guess like a fairy tale kind of look, fairy look. Guys, that is all for this look, and don't forget to subscribe and be there with me through this journey.